the gate man in that house brought in a woman to my son's bedroom. And as we speak, he's on the run.
I see.
I want you to see the CCTV footage of what actually happened. Yes.
No doubt.
As you could have seen, the gate man of all places decided to bring a woman into his master's own bedroom to lay with the woman. And the idiot of a woman forgot her panty that she wore from home to that bedroom. That's where the problem stemmed from. And it's obvious that my son is innocent.
Well, no doubt about that.
So in that case, that union is hereby dissolved. Yes, because I do not want your lunatic daughter to kill my son for me.
Don't you dare call my daughter a lunatic. Watch it, Chipuduka.
You know that your daughter is a lunatic. She injured my son.
Our agreement stands. We have apologized. That is fine.
That agreement can no longer hold. I suggest first go teach your daughter manners before you give her a hand for marriage. Leave my house.
Chipudoka, come back here. Come. Oh my gosh. We shall see, Chipudoka. We shall see.
Just one day. Just one day.
Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will die no more. Today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will buy no more. AKACHI Jareto, Akpatweke, Jareto. Hey!
Larissa,
what did they say? What did they happen for you?
Now, so you go enjoy it, enter grave like this tonight.
What did happen? What did I do? Who na be?
Your fuck up done too much for this village. And I go run into you like this with to follow us.
Wait, you won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? You won't run me for my cabin? You dey mad? Eh? You won't run me to my cabin? You not fear? You not fear?
Sorry.
You not fear?
Sorry.
Eh?
Hey, sorry.
Walk from here. Come on. If you this try, come on for this place. Your father. I know well, oh. Go ask question. I know well. You don't whine. I for bust your brain with this thing. Down.
Hey,
if you move, eh? Down.
Akachi, what is it? Akachi, because they are...
Go down.
Hey, I'm down already. Wait. Akachi.
Yeah. You send boys, come meet me, come attack me. What did I do you? Don't try this nonsense again. I'm not well, though. Go ask question. You dey mad?
I'm sorry.
Eh? You see this gun?
I'm sorry.
It's a licensed gun from government. Bullet full arm. I go kill you. Nothing go sup.
Please.
I go murder you for here. Bury your body. Nobody go see your dead body. You dey mad?
Wait, Apache, please. I'm sorry. Hey.
Don't try this thing again.
I will never.
If I pass left or pass right.
Yes, ma. Hey. Okay, CJ.
No waiting, lie down.
Hey, Akachi.
I'll finish you.
Akachi, please.
Come on, lie down.
Oh, please, lie down. Akachi, please. Akachi, please, don't shoot. Hey, Akachi, please. See, I'm your brother's brother. I'm your brother's brother. Please, don't shoot me. Please, Akachi, please, don't. Hey, Because hey! Akachi, please, don't shoot again. Don't shoot again. Akachi. Akachi.
Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter, hunter when I get. Mama. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter, hunter when I get.
Oh, there she can go.
Akachi ambush. Five and six.
Hey!
Hunting. Five and six. Any bush meeting, she go kill him, hold him for handy. I forgot him, brother. She go kill him, hold him for handy. I below that, she go kill him, hold him for handy. I below that, when she go kill him, hold him. Akachi, she go kill him, hold him for handy. Anything about hunting. Now you sabi. But if you carry trouble, come on. Again, yakin sabu. Again, yakin that's trouble. Woto. If onanya. She not the shake. Not at all. She dege. She not the shake. Not at all. She dege. She not the fear. Not at all. She dege. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Mama. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I get. Akachi ambush, na 5 and 6 years. Akachi and hunting, na 5 and 6. Any bush meeting, she go kill him, hold him for handy. I forgot him, brother. She go kill him, hold him for handy. I below that, she go kill him.
Hello, Dad.
Yes. Stay there. He's not picking his calls? Okay, don't worry. I am sure his father does not have the money to clear his debt. Yes. But you told me you love him so much. So why all the drama? Why? Tell me, I want to know.
Dad, please. Please don't tell me that. Dad, I'm being serious right now.
You can't love someone and then you go ahead to inflict pain on the same person you claim you love. Bernice, when will you stop smoking and drinking? This thing is affecting your life.
Dad, this got nothing to do with my shit. Absolutely nothing.
Oh.
Dad, all I want right now is my man. Yes, I want him back to me. Please, I'll talk to you later.
Just one day. Just one day, for a change, I will smile.
I'm going to be here since he's not picking my calls. David thinks he can play with me. He can never play with me. Never. I'm going to be here and wait for him till he returns. Nonsense.
Where is the money I asked you?
But I told you tomorrow I'll give you the money.
You told me tomorrow. We'll wait till tomorrow now. See, I bet sheep. So I didn't even wear pants because
Okay, what's he want, Picharu? Wait, I'll be this girl. Are these chicken peckings now? Now you where you get one bench from my bush the other day. So if you are shower, you know they say one place. You then muke up and down. Make they shift your pants. Oh yeah, one come on here. Come on for your shower. Come on for this place. Now, I'll shoot you. Come on for your go match them mad. Come on for this place. I want to fire you. I shower. You Ebuka, you know what they useful to yourself.
I don't like this way they do. You stop amo. Because every time you go just the ask person, you don't know what you say. I say you don't want again. Leave me alone, make a day my lane.
And I don't want again true, but you go there useful to yourself. I don't make you do careless benching. Be useful to yourself, be responsible.
I beg, me, I don't like all this.
Oh yeah, come on for this place.
Come on for here. Why they tell me make I come on? We see the dates. What are the dates again? Allow me to live my life.
Follow me talk.
No.
I say, come on for here now. Go out. I dey talk, you dey talk. Come on.
Hey!
Come on for here. Come here. I dey talk, you dey talk. You don't get respect. You don't get respect.
What is happening? Do you want to kill him? Huh? Why will you be fighting a man like this on the way? Do you want him to inflict injuries on you? Huh? What is happening?
Now my ex-boyfriend, a very useless person. If they useless to yourself, I won't make them useful.
Hey, young man, who are you? I am that I am. Open, let me go. You see you will hear from me.
Okay, I don't go this way. You see, anywhere I catch you, I go they beat you until they useful.
I'm not gonna use it for you.
You're not gonna useful.
I'm not gonna use it for you.
You're not gonna useful.
Can I
You're not gonna useful. Just a run they go. Don't fire your brothers. They're mad. You get lucky they save you. Nonsense. Wine.
I think I remember you. Are you not the huntress? Yes, it's you. You were the one that served I and my in-laws bushmeat the time we visited.
I took him. I talk and say your face dey familiar. Bros, now you. So you remember me?
Yes.
Are you German and your sister?
Yes, she's fine. She's fine. She have recovered. She have traveled back.
Her leg don't go, Abi.
Her leg is perfect now. She has gone back to her athletic job.
Thank God. What you gonna carry you come village now?
It's my friend. He injured his ankle.
So
I came so that Mama will look at it.
Ay! Oh! Stop! Stop! Please!
Guy, why you shout?
Stop! It's paining me! Oh! Oh! Stop! Stop! Ah!
Sorry, oh. Did they pay you to throw?
Yes!
Sorry.
Don't worry, I go. My mama go run her for you, yeah? Sorry.
Sorry. Let us be sure. Are you the one to handle my leg or you are a huntress?
No, my mama go handle your leg. Me, I be professional huntress. Certified by the government of Nigeria. I kill bushmeat for a living. If they say na human being I dey kpai, therefore call me Galadima. More they go, make it. Enter come, we go. My house no far.
Let's go. Get inside.
Yeah.
Get inside. Let's go together.
No, I dey trek no man now. I get strong legs. Just dey drive follow me for back small.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah?
Sorry, madam.
Sorry, yo.
What rubbish are you people talking about? Eh? Come on, girl, you people will handle a girl that squats to urinate. You cannot beat to death. Is that what you're telling me?
But that girl no be ordinary girl. That girl na a confirmed wrestler. She took us on her way, understand? So we no even expect her and say she go wear like that.
Look at. Just imagine what you're talking. Eh? Imagine what you're talking. What did I pay you for? Eh? Come on, you're not ashamed of yourself to tell me she took you unaware. Just imagine the rubbish.
See, the reason why we dey here, they wait for you now, just to give us our balance.
What's it?
Our balance now, they tell you, okay?
What did you just say?
Sap.
What? Wait. Did I hear you say balance? Did you deliver? Come on, you are supposed to refund me my money. You're talking about balance. What rubbish are you talking about?
You why not, be like say you want to enter again. What my enter?
Don't try it, oh. Don't just try it. Don't just try it.
Come on.
Hey! Sorry, I'll give you balance. I'll give you balance. Hey, get your fucking car. Okay. Hey! Balance. Go. Come on. Move. Hey! I can't see them. Hey,
Hi, please, take it easy.
I have to look at the leg.
Okay? Mama, take it easy. You don't say they pain now.
Oh, give me. What is it?
This thing is paining me.
It's okay.
Ow! Oh God! Oh, it's paining me.
Sorry.
It's paining me. It's okay.
Sorry.
Ow! Let's say you can't take this thing personal.
AKACHI, you want to buy a cock? Shut up, or you live here.
Oh!
It's okay, be a man.
Oh!
Sorry, Dave.
Be a man.
Paining me. Oh! Jesus!
Sorry, Dave.
Sorry, yo.
Sorry.
Ow!
Nah.
I have sent my daughter to go and get some of the things that he will need. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? By the end of this week, I'm sure you'll be fine. Okay? You'll regain your health. See, be using this now for easy walking about. You'll be fine. All right?
Thank you very much, man.
It's okay. Hey!
Hello, Dad. No. The woman said I need to stay around to monitor the healing process. Yes, I won't be coming back anytime soon. Benny's? Dad, I have blocked her off. I don't need her in my life anymore. Daddy, please, please. I need to concentrate on myself now. I need to get better. Her father what? Dad, please, please. I don't want to talk about Benny's. Charles will be returning back to the city tomorrow, but I will stay back. Yes, the woman gave me a room to stay. It's alright. Thank you.
He's in my past now, like, I swear.
Will you shut up? Close down your mouth.
So this is the reason why you were telling me to stay away from her. Hey!
See, I promise it's you I want to. Why are you doing this to me now? She did not miss me. I'm sorry now. Ebuka, why are you doing this?
Hey! Ebuka! Hey! Yeah, Ebuka. So this thing that I've been hearing in this community is true. Ebuka, so after chopping Akachi, you still want to chop my girl?
Come on. What do you mean by I want to chop my girl? Who is your girl? See, respect yourself. Oh. Ebuka, I'm not your girl. Now what's wrong with you? Why are you spoiling things for me?
Ambiel.
See, I'm not his girl.
My girl. You are my girl.
And you can leave me alone now. See, calm down. Ebuka, see now, Ebuka, please. You're
what
the
do you
one
mean
I
you're calling Ebuka and I'm here? What?
Ebuka, is it my fault? Leave me alone.
It's my fault.
Ebuka, please,
my
I'm
fault.
sorry.
Ebuka, she's not sorry, oh. She's my girl.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, no, leave. Ebuka, please.
It's so sad. I'm so sorry about that.
Why they tell me sorry? Person die. Don't tell me sorry. I don't move on from that guy. Say. Who he be? I don't forget himself. I just the gist to make it no be like say we know the gist. So, this your leg. Wetin break your leg? You be footballer?
No, I'm not a footballer. It's a long story. Yes.
You not get what I do with my life today now. Knock me the story. You know say I like aproko.
What is aproko?
Amebo.
Amebo.
Gossip.
Oh, gossip.
Yes, sir.
Well, I had a girlfriend.
You don't be you. Now babe matter. Those kind of story they sweet me well. What happen? She pake person prick or she moke you. What's up?
What is pake?
You collect person if area. Oh yeah.
Okay, you mean if she cheated on me?
Yes.
Uto! Uto, hey, love of my life. Uto, they deceived me. But now I realize that you are the best.
But please forgive me. I want our relationship back.
You want them back?
Eh.
Even me, I don't plan to tell you say I want you.
Eh?
You know it's in a consider. You don't be like say I don't say they come. I can't cook special rice for you. This your flour fine. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Give yourself. Hold on. Sorry, you see I'm one breakfast.
Sorry.
They come.
Yeah, my brother. How are you? What did you do for leg? Huh? Bro, don't touch it.
Yes.
Why?
I broke my ankle.
Ankle, na so you, bro.
Do like no, don't touch it. No, I broke here, so they have been.
What?
Useless thing. After you don't sleep with all the 30 years finish, you won't come back to me. What now what use you do? I thought you said I want you again. Come on for here. Come on for this place. No problem. Carry your dirty slipper. Carry yours. Come out here.
Let me give you flour.
Come out here.
Make I take my flour and go.
Hey, stop! No, it's okay, Kachi. Just.
What are you? Yeah, what are you? What are you? Oh, what are you going to come up on this flat? You can tell my guys to deal with you.
Oh my God.
My people can deal with you.
You make noise, though. You make noise.
Let me get you collect from me. Let me my girl you collect. Let my girl you collect.
I take no this kind
You
of
don't give me Maggie.
No, why are you doing? Huh? Listen, if you doubt me, let's go to AKACHI's place. You will see my friend taking treatment there.
I'm not doubting you. I never said I was doubting you.
So what's the issue? Huh? I can't even take you to the market, wait for you there. When you're done, I will take you home.
Home?
Yes.
Wow. Parents, they'll be mad at me.
No worry, I'll drop you anywhere you want me to. Stop doing this shakara. Come, let me take you. What's this, all this shakara for? Fine girl. Come, let's go.
Let's go watching.
Who's watching? Shakara just too much.
Let's learn how to hunt. Bend a bit.
Okay.
You target the animal when you want to kill.
Okay.
You close one of your eyes.
Which of my eyes?
The left one.
Okay.
The other open eye on the nozzle of your gun. Then you aim at your target.
Okay.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, go! You don't get a move.
Of course.
You don't whine. That's so.
That's how we're going to kill all the animals.
Yes, now just one bullet you will release, that is it.
Okay, can I use one bullet and kill maybe 2 grass cutter?
It depends if the 2 grass cutter dey together.
Okay.
If they together, one bullet go knock the both of them.
Wow.
But if they separate, you no go fit kill the 2 of them. Now only one they go kill.
That's alright. That's alright.
You dey learn quick, oh.
Of course. I'm a fast learner.
Okpetueke. Don't be, oh.
Don't be.
They go whine, you no panic.
Yes, nah. Don't be for
all the animals for this
forest.
Make we dey go.
AKACHI go get plenty more.
Which kind of play with that one? What is the sup now? Which kind of play with this one now?
Always on guard.
I do on my guard all the time. No fit take me unaware now.
My baby.
How we say here now?
Let's go.
Any bush meat, she go kill her. I forgot the mother. She go kill her. I don't miss this. I forgot the attacker. She go kill her.
I don't miss this bush meat.
What?
And I target him. Where Congo now? This one pain me. He pain me. Oh. Very big fat animal. Now I miss like this and I target him more.
It's okay. We'll see another one. Come here.
Why did you look me like this?
I love you. You're more than a friend to me.
I love you too.
See your mouth. Wait till they kiss. Make we dey go. Since we no see animal, if we come for night, we feel see.
Alright. You know, you've influenced me. I'm now a hunter in your village.
Abi?
What if I call you the hunter's wife?
You're not bad now. If you did with hunter wife, and I'm beside hunter wife, you're very sweet and funny, yo.
Anything for you. You are so full of life. And I love you for that.
Me, I love you too. Make we dey go before Mama go talk say we no come back on time.
Alright, let's go. You said Okpetueke.
No be so. Okpetueke.
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 It don't be you.
It don't be you.
They wine. They go wine you, no panic. Make we dey go, my baby.
Let's go there.
She no get shame at all. AKACHI.
You are not taking cola. Huh? Dog.
Hey, you're welcome.
Greetings, my in-laws.
Hey.
No, get the moon. More. No, guy, the go. Okay, get the moon. They have what got the eggs in their mouth. Yes, our in-laws.
The die is cast. We are here to celebrate this beautiful marriage engagement. And our beautiful daughter is there. AKACHI, step forward.
Hey.
Mommy.
Hey.
Why? AKACHI.
Sir.
Show us your husband.
Yes.
I'll get it there.
Chai. Hey.
Oh, they are. God, so strong. Yeah.
Cash. Money talks.
Hey. Hey. Ewa.
Going.
The one mama. Organize.
Icheu, ataha Maya. Hey! It shall be well with you. This union shall be a fruitful union. Chukwu ya gozunu na nwoke ọmụmụ nwoke ọmụmụ nwanyị ndụ ogologo.
How is the city now? Well, so much development has visited the city. 24 hours lights. NEPA has really improved.
How about that place that I was training my goats?
You will not recognize it again.
It has been 6 years now. Even that place where I train my goats. If I reach there, story everywhere.
Yes, development has visited everywhere.
Then Nigeria.
Yes, 24 hours.
I can't believe myself.
What is this you're carrying? Ogini?
Now my gun now. I go leave her for village. Eh? I can't go my house. If I reach there, I go hunt.
You say? Hey.
You say?
Which one be you say? They need to hunt for that place.
Where you want see bush or forest where you want run your normal daily patrol?
Leave him for me, I go look for him. I go find them.
Babe, you can't take this gun to the city.
Hey.
You cannot take your late father's gun to the city. Besides, you can no longer hunt anymore.
Hey, Krodati. He say, waiting. I don't hunt already. I must carry this gun go, otherwise forget about the marriage. I'm not gonna marry again if not allow me carry this gun. Yes, so.
Akachi, why are you behaving like a local girl? Eh? You have married a rich young man. Must you continue to hunt?
Mama, nothing concern gun, concern my husband's status. Before Papa died, he blessed me. He said, my daughter, you are going to be a blessed hunter. I can't say amen. You know, see how they like bushmeat. If I don't carry this gun go, how I go take survive? How I go take hunt for bushmeat? My husband, if you know say you love me and you respect me, allow me carry this gun go city.
Hey.
I get license for gun. It dey inside my bag. Nothing they shell.
Akachi, please take this gun inside the house.
Biko, Yolomia.
Umbano.
Biko.
You see here, if you not allow me carry this gun, the marriage is over. Kiss it goodbye. Yes.
Akachi.
Oh, Akachi Ogene. Akachi Ogene, do you want to disgrace me? What is this, eh? Take this gun inside now, Biko no.
See, Dave, it's okay. Allow her to go with the gun. I'm sure when she gets to the city and there'll be no bush for her to hunt, she'll be fed up.
Bro, how can you say that? How can my newly married wife continue to be a huntress? Do you have any forest in the city? How can you tell me that? Madam, take that gun back.
Okay, no good one.
Eh? Madam, you have to choose between this gun or your husband.
I go choose though.
Eh?
You hear him? I go choose though.
No.
Make I choose, Mama.
Don't choose now. I want you.
Make I choose.
Choose. Give me make sure.
I go choose though.
Akachi.
Make I choose. You know what's in your uncle? Return their bride price.
No. Akachi,
I don't go mad again.
Akachi, what is this?
You want to put
What is this?
Ogene.
Chief, give them this money back.
What's she doing with
Ogene.
Wait. Ogene, choose.
Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Akachi go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Akachi ambushy, na 5 and 6 years.
So, we are going to talk about Concord in English language today. So, we are going to be treating this today. So, I would like to know, do you...
Sorry, teacher, no verse. I know sabi good English. Na pidgin English na sabi. Me and pidgin English will be best friends, just as me and my gun dey very close. Na so I dey close with pidgin English. In fact, me and pidgin English will be classmates.
It's all right, no problem. That is being noted. But before then, do you by any means know the meaning of Concord?
Concord? I suppose know what Concord mean now. Not be the combination of verb, noun, and proverb. It go make one sentence, then be Concord.
That's correct.
Okay, it's okay. I know buko. But you know what? Not this not be my problem. I get waiting they bother me. I beg teacher, you get waiting they bother me. You know where I go fit see jungle, where I go fit see big bushmeat, big animals catch.
I have no idea about that, but if you must know, that should be by Ibadan Expressway. That's where you can get thick forest, where you can go for hunting.
Hey! I beg you go show me, or you give me the address. I won't go, I beg, I won't go hunt for there. I go pay you, not be say they don't for free. You be my guy now.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't do that. I wasn't paid by your husband to teach you how to go and hunt. I was paid to teach you English language, please.
What you talk? What you call me?
Akachi.
Hey man, you don't get respect.
Hey!
I be your mate.
Hey!
Hey man.
Hey!
Why you call me Akachi?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Hey.
You don't get respect. Hey man.
Hey! I'm sorry. Hey.
Come and call me your guy wife.
I'm sorry.
Again.
Oga wife.
Carry your book, come out for this place. Fast! Let's say your eye in my body. They call me Akachi. If I catch you for this company, I go break your head. They're mad. I'm not
Anything about the hunting.
Useless.
But if you carry trouble, come again, making trouble. Again, making that trouble. Woto. If she not the shake, not at all. She dey gengem. She know the shake, not at all. She dey gengem. She know the fear, not at all. She dey gengem. AKACHI.
Oh babe, it's for your own good.
Baby, forget that man. Yeah, I did my body free.
You sure?
Baby, the bush will bring from village, don't they finish you? Show me road to the forest, make I go hunt another one.
Babe, let's take things a step at a time. Okay?
See, you get that somebody they do me. I won't hunt now.
But we'll have other meats for consumption.
You know, say I know the fit eat meat when no be bush meat. I won't hunt to make it not be say you they deceive me. I won't hunt. Show me road to the forest.
It's alright. Baby, it's alright. Once I'm back from work during weekend, we'll go for hunting.
That's what you talked last week. Just show me. I don't even need you to follow me. Just show me that I will enter myself.
Babe, I already told you that we'll go for hunting this weekend.
I'm telling you, I don't see any bush. I don't know any bush at all. As me you there now, you hear me? Only my village bush, I'm a sabi, and that is fine. My village bush. Yes. No, there are not any forest. Yeah. But you do, no first make I ask, madam. This one where you ask of forest, thick bush. How far? You want to do sacrifice? I be now waiting.
I be huntress. I hunt bush meat for a living.
I don't understand. You be waiting.
I say I be huntress. I get very big gun. I dey hunt bush meat for living. I beg, if you see any bush when you dey sure say big meat dey, call me. I'll go hunt the meat down. Or if you know any place where they do hunters association, tell me. I go join.
Hey God. You know, this is serious. No first, madam. So as you dey now, as me and you dey now, you get gone. For this house?
No, for your papa house.
Oh God, don't hate them. Oh God, don't hate them. This one are from fry pan to inside fire. I didn't hear. That idiot, you know, people come. I didn't hear go. I didn't hear this one come. I go there.
Where's my wife? Where's my wife?
Okay. I see her. She don't come out this morning. She carry gun. Say she won't go hunt. So you make her open gate. Open the gate. I open gate. And she come.
How could you let my wife leave this house? Is something wrong with your head?
No. This is not governor. This is our plan. This is a plan, man. She come out here with the gun, says she won't go hunting. I thought we're hunting there. I don't know what I'm going to do now. I can't put case for her. I don't know
that. You came back here begging me to forgive you for the nonsense you did in my house. I did, I forgive you. And now you're doing the worst. Tell me, Okoye, who hunts in the city?
I don't know, Oga. I don't know. Now the thing when she talk, says she won't go hunting. She be not the ask me since when I know where forest day. After that, I don't know where forest day. So only my village one don't say forest day. She come, they come out, she says she won't hunt. They carry gun, says she won't. I open gate for her now.
Open the gate for her. What that for do? You open the gate for her. Now listen to me. If you do not find my wife, you will rot in jail. You know you're very stupid. You don't have sense. Don't find my wife. You see yourself in jail.
Okay, you don't say God use me for that idiot. Use me for that idiot.
You are the real idiot. Okay, you are the real idiot. Nonsense.
Why slap? Every time slap. Can I every time? Then they slap me. Don't I do? Then they slap me here. This one I'm gonna slap me. Nah! I get book. They could just come on this side. Dikeh. Now because I don't open the gate. He was just slap me too.
If you don't find my wife, okay? If you don't find my wife, you will see what I will do to you. Animal. Go and open this gate.
Nah.
Okay, open this gate now.
Yes, sir. Nah, this is good.
My friend, open that gate. Listen to me. If I do not find my wife, you see yourself.
I don't know where it goes.
Let me
see that. Let me
You're very stupid.
Dikeh, God. Olha que a mora sério, pô. Me vê uma mulher. Not even good. Use me to learn how to slap. Mama say what? No, carry mama para faja.
God, what is all this? And she left her phone at home. Where do I find her now? What if they arrest her with a gun? Eh? They don't hunt in this city.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. Love you, Jirumaroyo. Omali chai for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. This is your love, Jirumaroyo. Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. Love you, Jirumaroyo. This is your tender love, Jirumaroyo. Beautiful love, Jirumaroyo. No more mata, obodo be a fool. If you are remove, it's no more again. No more mata. Ibuabuagi, if I'm the begitata, no more again. I am in a safe with you. This is true love.
Daddy! What did you do for this place this hot afternoon? What did they do for bush?
Well, I'm here. This is my building site. Just come here to supervise it.
Makes sense.
And you, what are you doing here?
I come hunt for bush meat too. I hear say Hunters Association dey for town. I no see them for town. Be like say they don't enter bush. Now I come here whether I go see animal or see the Hunters Association. Anyone I dey.
Is your husband aware that you are here?
Nah, that one. You know they are aware. You not fit they are aware. That one when they support my destiny. I'm here, come on for house. You get the point now.
Go get into the car, let's go.
Okay.
You are really pretty, my beautiful mother. Every time I see your face, I want you around me all the time. Baby,
David, in as much as I want you to get married to her, I did not bargain for a huntress. She's supposed to be doing something with her life. By the way, I thought you were supposed to get her a tutor. What's going on? My son married to a huntress? That's not good to hear. Because we are not bush people. And in our lineage, there's no hunter. So where did you get this from? So I want you to take her home, make her to understand that this rubbish must not repeat itself again.
Are you done embarrassing me? Are you done?
Make we dey go. Make we come up for here.
You will not see this gun again.
You know, try am. Wetin dey sup now? My gun? You see this my hunter gun and my life. I know they take and play. Forget what your papa talk. Oh. You give me my gun. For waiting.
Is that so?
Yes.
Then I will know if you married me or I married you.
No take my gun play. Forget this way your papa talk. And then they take my gun play. Oh. Sure? Oga, give me my gun, I beg. What they stop now? It no go happen. It no go fit happen. Say make man no hunt for waiting now. I be huntress, so everybody for my village knows say na hunter be professional one at that. I go focus on my hunting. You be engineer. Focus on your work. You and your papa no go tell me what I go do. For waiting now.
For the love of God. This is a city, not a primitive village filled with wild animals. You must understand that you cannot continue being a huntress.
That means I'll come out for this marriage, go my papa house in peace. Because body don't they pepper me now. Body they pepper me, oh, make my gate man no go talk grass cutter for my eye. And the vest, oh, this hunting one about don't they vest me. David, warn yourself, oh.
Why are you doing this, babe? Why are you doing this? You cannot continue carrying guns around. It doesn't make sense. This is a city. You're no longer in the village.
Oh, God, beg now. Forgive me, you don't call it darling. Leave her now, make she go home to now. God, because no. Hey! Ooh!
Leave my way.
Who be this one?
David, you have the guts to bring in a girl in this house. A local girl for that matter, not even a classy one like me.
Me, local girl? What are you? David, why can't you call local girl? You
keep quiet! Keep quiet before I land you a dirty slap.
Ah! You don't whine her! Let me see you don't die now!
You don't whine me?
What are you?
You don't call me local girl?
Are you not local?
Now the very minutes, the maggot.
Will you keep quiet? If you talk to me like that, I'm going to give it.
Ah! Let me see you don't yourself now! Okay, well. Ah! You don't whine?
Slap me.
Yes!
Ah!
Babe, stop.
You the mad? You the mad? You the mad?
I'll go back for you.
Leave my house.
I'll go back for you. I said, I'll go back.
Where she there? Where she there? I go chop your meat. I don't the vex so. This hunting one never do the vex me. They have to manga. You the mad? When this girl not enter this compound again, I go kill her. I'm not well, no. When I go ask questions, I'm not well.
Just go. Give me the gun.
Leave my gun. I can't die for this and I go please and die.
Babe!
Anything about
Don't open that gate again.
But if you can't trouble, come again, you can trouble. Again, you get to trouble. She not the shake, not at all. She deg, she not the shake, not at all. She deg, she not the fear, not at all. She deg, I got you go get plenty more. She's a hunter.
Come on, you know what? What is Papa? Now you get it. What will I know? Now you get it. You know what? Then go with it. Where is she? Where is the guy that attacked my daughter? Where is the bastard? Where is the guy that attacked my daughter?
See that for you.
So you? Oh, So this is how you and your father wish to pay me back, huh?
Baby, what did they occur? What did they sup?
So you are the fool, the idiot that attacked my daughter.
With all due respect, Chief, I will not have you insult my wife. No, it will not go down well with us if you try.
How dare you talk to me like that? Eh? Do you know who I am?
Wait, so I don't understand. You tear my husband slap for my presence. My personal Lord and Savior. My God on earth. You dey mad? You dey whine me? You dey mad? You dey mad?
Babe, it's okay. Babe, it's okay, babe.
Please, let him go.
Break your heart. Why go tear you slap? Who it be? Who say you dey okay? Yes, I'm fine. Try and begin go bust your skull, you dey mad.
Anything about the hunting. Now you sabi.
But if you carry trouble, come on.
She know the shake, not at all. She deke, she know the shake, not at all. She deke, she know the fear, not at all. She deke, AKACHI go get plenty more. She's a hunter when I live. Mama, AKACHI go get plenty.
Babe, they are the Nigerian police. Please give me the gun. Please.
Who I go give them the gun? Eh? Who I go give them the gun?
Madam, please. We are not here to make any trouble. Can you bring down your gun, please?
Oga, if I put down this gun, my bend. Instead of my gun to touch ground, I'll give my husband. Ajay.
Officers, arrest her. What are you waiting for?
Just put down the gun. Baby, they are the Nigerian police. You cannot fight with me.
Ha! No go close there, oh. No just go there, oh. Make I tell you, as una dey now, una be like chi for Madam I. And I tell you, men I just allow Oga, men allow and give the gun to Oga. If una by violence, you don't whine.
Madam, as you can see, I'm using a calm voice on you. Please, give me the gun or bring it down, please. Please.
I will deal with you. See you? You will rot in jail.
You dey make mouth, abi? I go shoot you now. Makukuma go to jail.
No.
This side they fear death.
Please.
This side they fear jail. They fear anybody.
Babe, please don't shoot.
They're mad.
Please, babe, I beg you in the name of God, do not shoot. Do not shoot. The Nigerian police are here. Babe, please just.
Let me say they fear anybody. And my husband they respect. So that make me want to drop this gun. Otherwise, before beef for now.
I say move. I say move. Move. Also, where are you taking my wife's? She already dropped the gun.
Move it. Move it.
Move. Anything about the hunting. Now you sabi. But if you carry trouble, come on. Again, sabu. Again, that's trouble. She know the shake, not at all.
But she's my wife. No matter what, I love her. In her, I found peace.
David, I will not make any call. In fact, send her back to her people. I am done with this conversation.
No way. No way, Dad. It won't happen. She's going nowhere. She loves me. She fights for me. She's all I have. A sister, a mother, a friend, and a wife. All in one. She attacked Chief Dennis when he slapped me. Beat up Bennis and scared all of them away. People that you and I were once afraid of. no way, Dad. It will not happen.
You see, David.
Daddy, there is no way I will allow my pregnant wife sleep in that cell. It's never gonna happen.
She's pregnant?
Daddy, she's pregnant for me.
And Chief Dennis locked her up?
Yes.
Please go upstairs, go get the phone. Come here, please. Step us. I'm going to be a grandfather.
Hurry up, please bring the phone.
Babe! Babe! Happy birthday to you, my darling wife.
I beg.
Babe, come on. Today is your birthday. Okay, you know what? Just go in there, get dressed. I have a surprise package for you.
I know they follow you go anyway. Where am I gone? David. Where am I gone? I don't see bush. Why I go catch better bush meat? I don't even see Hunters Association. I already joined them now. Where am I gone? I don't like this see what you they do. You they take me play. Oh.
You are not being serious. You are not. That gone? My dear, kiss it a goodbye.
Make I kiss am a goodbye. You say you dey plan to buy me car, Abi?
Yes, I already ordered for it.
I'm not interested. Keep your order. You see all the cars for this compound. You see this house, I go burn am. I go set at my place. I'm not well, oh. Go ask question. You dare me?
Yes, I dare you. When I was in your village, treating my uncle, I was a hunter, but I never let it get into my head. This is my house. And what I say, that is what you will do. I pay you 500,000 naira every month, period.
Period, Abi. You don't.
Babe! Babe! God, what is wrong with this girl?
Abi, I tell the phone on a play. I go burn this car. I go burn this car. Nothing will stop. I go burn this car. I go burn her. I go burn this car. Make I give me my gun. I go burn this car. I go burn her. I go burn her. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me my gun! When am I going to seize my gun for waiting? That gun on my life! I need my...
Babe, what? Stand up! Babe, please stand up! Get me my car key! I said get me my car key!
Car key, can I born it? Can I make car key in it?
My friend, go and get me my car key!
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. Love you, Jirumaroyo. Amali Chai for Nanya, Jirumaroyo. This is your love, Jirumaroyo. Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaroyo.
How is my wife? She's getting better. And the child?
Fine. I think she overstressed herself and lost energy. She should avoid anything handworks.
It's alright. Thank you, doctor.
Welcome.
If I see my gun, I go well. Bush meat, they hungry me. I won't use my hands go catch him.
Doctor,
Don't worry about that. Please, let me see you outside.
It's alright.
Give me my gun. Only week a week. Now small I dey turn me. Nothing they do me. I want my gun. Hey. This one me oh.
I think you should give her back her gun. Yes, because psychologically, she's deluded with her job. And you need to allow her make a decision of stopping the job.
But doctor, how can? Look at me. I have everything she wants. We have meat in abundance in this house. How can my wife go hunting? I think this is a spell. And I have to take her for counseling. Me, I will not let her go back to that thick forest. No. No. It's never gonna
You should try and compromise. Understand her from her own point of view. Yes, because this is what she loves to do. Regardless of whom you are or whom she is to you. Yes. And you should learn to groom her and also support her. That's all.
This is hard. Very hard. Like my wife go hunting, carry gun.
Baby, for Nanya, Jirumaro, love you, Jirumaro, Amali Chai for Nanya, Jirumaro, this is your love, Jirumaro.
Thank you. He says I don't wear now. Eh? I don't wear.
Now. You
yes.
now.
See, this is where you try not try am again. No. You know, go understand the kind of love when I get for this God. You know, be spiritual man. You know, get spiritual eye. If you understand what you make, I love this God.
It's okay. So you are fine now.
Hey, I wear full ground. As I did like this now, just show me any bush. Even if Lion and the family they go kidnap there, you didn't want.
There is no forest.
Yeah, you go find out. Oh, thank you, my love.
It's okay.
Hey, I'm not again.
Oh my God. I am in a seven.
Thank you. There we go now.
This is true love. This is your love.
Father, I want you to do something. I want you to do something as it stands. Chief Udoka has dealt with you. His son, David, broke my heart into pieces. Father, are you going to keep calm? Father, that girl insulted us. Are you going to keep calm, Father?
This will not end well, my dear.
Father, I don't want it to end well. David and his father must pay for everything.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. I know what to do. I certainly know what to do. And how to handle things right now. Chief Udoka will regret it. Yes, he will. And by the time he realizes, it will be too late. Because he will be cooling off in the grave.
And what about David, his son?
For breaking the deal, he will not live to see the end of it. Don't worry yourself. They dare not!
I trust you.
Just one day, one day.
You are playing with fire, Chief Udoka. Don't say I didn't warn you. You can't do anything. Just leave my house.
Not so soon. Sen, you're forgetting something.
Miss, there is not a single thing I want to remember.
The deal. We had a deal that you broke. And your son went ahead to pick a mad girl. A common huntress and a daughter of a nobody over my daughter for marriage. You've forgotten that.
Chief Dennis, you provoke me to break your nose right away if you do not leave my house.
Chief Udoka, I dare you.
I will count 3.
I dare you.
1. 2.
I will leave. But you will regret it.
There is nothing to regret. Idiot.
Just one day, just one day.
Oh boy, you funny. I swear down.
Very funny guy.
Listen, my woman can't cook, but she's very good in bed. Yes, she can wine it very well.
And that's the real food.
Of course!
Number 1.
She practically won the thing, like, that is the real thing now. You know? You know, you have to eat before you eat.
Baby, Anadeo, well done everybody. Hey.
How can you come to my office like this? And the secretary let you in?
The secretary dey mad when you go allow madam enter, you dey whine. Babe, you know say this your office dey close to the bush wire for the hunt. No be smart you go do for me today. I catch 4 big antelope. I said 3. I go see make I carry 1 come give my oga. I go use and knack better pepper soup for you for chopper. You go know say your wife sabi cook.
So you had to stop by looking like this?
Now what I be now, how I look? Hello, good morning, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
We go see for house.
Davy, what is the meaning of this? The company are trying to grow. You want to turn it upside down? Something wrong with you?
Dad, I didn't know she will appear like that. I'm sorry about that.
I told you that this will not work. Didn't I tell you? You can't marry that huntress. Huntress. My son married to a huntress? No, you can't marry her.
Dad, I'm sorry about that. It will not happen again.
Definitely it is not going to happen again because you are going to divorce her. You're going to divorce that naive, dirty looking and untamed girl. She can't be my daughter-in-law. It's a disrespect to me.
But I'm sorry. I need to talk to her, please.
Well, either you divorce that untamed girl, retain the company and retain my name, or I disown you as my son.
I'll just talk to her.
You can't be ashamed. To me, to my associates, and to my family, you must divorce that girl.
Let me just talk to her. Speak to
This is your love. Baby,
What's all this?
love
A local girl attacked you?
Dad, that is not even my problem. That is not my problem. Dad, David is in love with that girl. That local girl. That village girl. Dad, can you imagine? David has healed, but he has refused to leave that village.
Forget about him. Forget about him. Forget him.
Dad, what are you saying? I should forget about him?
Yes.
No way. Do you want me to be a loser? No, Dad. I can't forget about him.
His father has paid me my money. Yes.